Dear parents, you will get the user ID and password from your school. Enter the username and password in phone app and click on login. This is the home page of phone app where you can see all the communication updates from your school. This is the news from the school. This is the PTM parent teacher meetings details from your school, and this is the event from your school. Republic Day and Children's Day. This is the list of all the holidays from your school. So now you can see all the communication updates from your school in home page. In case if you get any message from school, you can see in the very top. Now click on tools menu. This is the list of all the tools that you have for your kids. Now click on timetable. To see the timetable of your school, click the shift. This is the timetable for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's how you can see the timetable of your kids. Now click on exam. This is the list of exams that your class teachers or school has created for you. Here you can see the list of dates, time and subject. Coming back to the home page, attendance. This is the list of attendance of your kids for the month of June. If you want to see for the month of July, simply click on July, August, going back this way, and you can see the monthly attendance of your kid. Going back, this is the list of all assigned teachers for your kids, all subject teachers who are teaching your kids in school. Homework. This is the list of all the homeworks assigned to your kids. Hindi, select the subject, and this is the list of subjects. This is the list of homework that your kids is supposed to do. This is the detail of homework. Now going back, same way, here is the list of all the classwork for your kid. You can simply filter out all the classwork or homework by selecting the subjects of your kid. Now, you can also apply leave for your kids. Here, simply click on plus sign, leave start date, leave end date, and this is the leave reason. And simply click on request leave. This is how you have requested leave for your kid. Going back to the tools menu, this is the syllabus for your kids. Coming back to tools menu again, and this is the feedback. You can send your feedback to the school as a suggestion, as a feedback, as a complaint here. Going back to the tools menu again, the most important thing is that all the communication and updates from your school. This is the list of all the news published by the school for you. You can see all the news here. Now going back again, notice here you can see all the notice from your school. Event, this is the list of all events in your school. Holidays, this is the list of all holidays. You can see all the holidays here. Now notification, any kind of notification related with the transport, homework or any other notification will be appear here. Going back, this is the survey. In case if any survey has been assigned to you, you can see the list of survey here. Transport, if your kid is using the transport of a school, you can see the transport details here. Help desk, this is the help desk that you can see. In case if you want to take the help of any system. The most important thing is the group messages. As a parent, if you want to communicate with your teachers, simply click on group message, chat, and you can chat with all the teachers that is assigned to your kid. This is the list of all teachers. You can simply click on the teacher name and then you can simply say, "Hi Vijay sir," and simply click on next button. This is how you're going to chat with your teachers. In case if you have any private chat, this will come in the chat. And in case if you want to start a new chat, simply click on groups, teachers, and you can see the list of all teachers and you can simply click on teacher's name. This is how you can communicate. You can communicate in private with all the teachers for your kid. Now coming back to the tools menu, parent teacher meeting. This is the list of all parent teacher meeting that is going to held in school. You can simply see the date, time, and the message from the school related with the parent teacher meeting. The important financial thing about the student school fee, you can see the list of all paid installments here. You can see the due installment here. And if you want to pay online, and if your school has set up the online fee payment, then you can simply click on pay online fee. Now my classroom, the most important thing, in case if your school is taking online classes, simply click on open study table. You have to select the name of your sibling, name of your subject, and then you can see all the chapters, all the learning materials related with this subject. This is how you're going to use the phone app of Scientific Study phone app. In case if you get any problem, you can simply go to the help desk of Scientific Study and raise your concerns. Thank you.